Hi, this is Dr. Umesh Arya, and uh, this video is on the Mozdeh software for collecting the tweets and analyzing them statistically. So we have to keep in mind that Webometrics and Mozdeh, they are the set of two softwares prepared by the UK university, that is Wolverhampton. Uh, we have discussed the applications of Webometric. Now, uh, before going to Mozdeh, uh, uh, this software actually is freely downloadable from the internet. You go to the Google and enter Mozdeh, and the very first link would be uh, the Mozdeh's link. You click this and you come to this web page. It tells that please see the instructions and free download user guide and FAQs. So it is always advisable to download the user guide. If you click this, then user manual would be downloaded here, and here are the list of functions which can be performed by the Mozdeh. Like this is a time series analysis and many more things. We will see all of them in action now. Okay, uh, we have downloaded the Mozdeh and it is here. So if you click this, then if you are running it for the first time, then it will ask for a particular drive where it can form the projects in which it will harvest the tweets for you. So I am giving it the D drive. It will say OK, and uh, it will prepare the project in the D drive. So as you can see that uh, there is empty space here. We will create a project, and the name of the project would be like, for example, start the project. And if you click, then this window would come. Now basic functions are similar to the webometrics. Like if I want to search for the tweets having the word net neutrality, then if it is more than two words, more than one word, then we have to put the double quotes around the search term, and we can go on entering the multiple terms like new media, or it can be the technology, like this. So it has to be entered in the separate lines, and that too with the uh, double quotes. Select the language, default language, as you know, that is English. And if you click this, then it will search Twitter once, which means that it will search Twitter for around 2 to 3 minutes, and it will bring some kind of results for you on an experimental basis. And the basic function would be the same, like it will go to Twitter, and you should have it account on the Twitter itself, and the app will ask for the authorization like it did in webometrics, and then you click next, and it will make the project ready for you. The another method is that if you click the keep searching until button clicked, it means that you want the search for an extended period of time, and that means it can go up to 11 hours or 12 hours of the research, or sometimes 2 to 3 days also, because Mozdeh can collect uh, tweets in lakhs. 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. So, and then we will click run Twitter and sorry, search Twitter continually, and once it is clicked, then it will search and it will stop only when you click this again. So for the advanced search, it is not actually used much. In the queries, yeah, if you want all the tweets with the word net neutrality, but you don't want any particular word. For example, if you don't want the tries name in it, and likewise in new media, you don't want the animation word in it. So all these words uh, would not be in the tweets. Like it will not select the words which will have uh, the word animation. It will not select all the tweets which are having the word animation. Only the tweets with the new media word they would be selected. So uh, this was some added function. If we come to the timelines, then you know that internet uh, has got many good functions, like we can select tweets as per the Twitter account. For example, if I want to get the tweets from the newspaper Hindu, then I will click here and write the Hindu only, and then HT tweets. So these are the Twitter handles of the Hindu and the time Hindustan Times. So I will enter the username or the timeline. So download timelines. So this is the one. Another method is that uh, if you see this, the query from, for example, if I click from and write it here, the Hindu, then also it will bring the tweets from Hindu or HT as I have mentioned underneath. So if I search the Twitter continuously for this, then all the tweets from these two Twitter accounts would be collected in a single file. So this was the basic introduction of the Mozdeh, and I'm not going to click it. I'm not going to search Twitter for it because it's a lengthy process, and I have already made the project for you. And in the next video, I'm going to open this. Thank you so much.